Hi everyone. Herbs are one of the easiest things to grow, even in containers, and these also happen to be one of the most expensive food to buy. I mean, look at the 3 twigs of sage selling for $3.29. By this math, I have already harvested at least $60 worth of herbs from my garden during this first month of spring. I'm not kidding. It is only possible because I grow perennial herbs, which means I planted these 3 years ago, and now every year they just pop up in spring with no additional work from me and grow till fall. So today I'm sharing these 7 perennial herbs with you. First one is lovage. It is hardy in zone 4 to 8. I grew it from seeds nearly 3 years ago, and the same plant keeps coming back every year. The flavor that it brings substitutes cilantro and parsley for me when we are cooking Mexican or Asian cuisines. Second one is chives, and I grow both varieties of it, the onion chives and the garlic chives. The onion chives flower in spring and have purple flowers. As the name suggests, it tastes like onion. So instead of buying green onions, you can use these. The garlic chives flower in fall and have white flowers, and these taste garlicky. You can use these to make pesto. These are hardy from zone 3 to 9 and grow very easily from seeds as well as transplants. Before we move forward, I want to ask you if you would be interested in seeing vlog style of videos on this channel. For example, garden tours. Please let me know in the comments. Third one is sorrel. I'm growing the red vein sorrel because it is pretty and I needed an edible plant to make a border in my front yard. This herb is a powerhouse of nutrients. It is sour to taste but doesn't have any distinguished flavor. It is hardy from zone 3 and up and makes great soup. Fourth on this list is sage. I lazily dropped the seeds in this garden about 3 years ago and one of it made it. This plant is very beautiful. The leaves look like lamb's ear, and this is the first time this plant is ready to make some flowers in my garden. It smells so good and dries very well. I use it in soups. It is hardy from zone 4 to 10. Fifth on my list is thyme. A note of caution, if you're planting it in ground, it can spread. I have limited garden space, so I grow mine in containers because I can't risk it spreading. When winter starts, we move the container in our garage, but there are times when we have forgotten to do so before frost hits. The good thing is, it grows very easily from seeds, so we start a new batch in spring if we killed it by forgetting the container outside in winter. Thyme is hardy from zone 3 to 9. We also love to grow oregano for exact same reason. It is the 6th herb on our list and packs a punch of flavor in those tiny leaves. It dries very well and tastes amazing in soups in winter. It also spreads easily, so I grow it in containers and care for it the same way I do for thyme. Oregano is hardy from zone 3 to 10. Seventh and last one on my list is mint. Again, be cautious because it spreads easily. I grow mine in containers. Mint is hardy from zone 2 to 10. It grows very easily from cuttings and keeps its flavor even when dried. It is very versatile and we love to add it in our yogurts and ice creams. If you're looking for easy to grow vegetables that would provide food to you in all seasons, check out this list linked on the screen next. Thanks.